Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2017 Mazda BT-50 dual cab ute, stock reference number 4077. This shape runs from the 10th month 2011 and is the current shape. It has a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left-hand front, with the left power door mirror in black. Left rear door appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with 16-inch factory alloy 6-spoke mags. The left rear has a good tyre. Has a factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom, neck and module. Rear ladder rack. Right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, standard heater controls, factory single stack CD player, display cluster, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.